Hello, my name is Lorna Carter-Stevens and I'm chairwoman of Friends of Page Park. We were fortunate enough a few years ago to receive Heritage Lottery funding to have the whole park restored. They even managed to restore the clock tower and all the workings of the clock. We had to have one of the smallest bells recast. They were so out of tune after being there for about 100 years. We've also had restoration of a new play area put into the park, which is all wood, which children really enjoy playing on, and it's more natural looking. We've had the toilet area made a lot safer, with careful landscaping and trimming back of the trees. They've also put landscaping in around the tennis pavilion and the tennis courts, which just soften the edges a lot. All the pathways have been restored, so now we can invite people that have got severe disabilities to the park, those that are infirm and need safer pathways. They're all here. And we also had funding to join the last pathway down the side of the park, which is a raised pathway, so it didn't interrupt any of the tree roots of the park. One of the biggest, one of my favourite things really is the cafe, which is a beautiful building and it has won an award for its design. It has 2 toilets inside and a toilet outside for access for people that are playing football, etc. But it's made such a wonderful meeting place for people, and new friendships have certainly sparked off. The community room there, which the HLF provided as well, has meant that groups from parents, they do toddler baby massage, they do yoga, they do park yoga in here and everything now. And that wasn't the case before because we didn't have adequate toilets. So a lot of people weren't able to stay for more than half an hour or more. There was no refreshments at all. So it's made a huge difference to the people of Staple Hill, their well-being, their health and their happiness. And we're extremely grateful to the Heritage Lottery Fund for seeing us as a viable option for their funding. Thank you.